Hey everyone, welcome back to Analyst Sultan. In this video, I will show you how to set up Facebook conversion API for Shopify to track conversion using both browser and server-side tracking. If you are running Facebook ads for your Shopify store, this setup is crucial for improving data accuracy and ad performance, especially after the iOS 14 update. Before we start, if you have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I share the best tracking and analytic tips to help you get the most out of your ads. So let's dive right in. Before we start this setup, let's quick understand what Facebook Conversion API is. Unlike the traditional Facebook Pixel, which is tracking user action through the browser API send event data directly from your Shopify server to Facebook. This helps reduce data loss due to ad blocker, browser restriction, and iOS 14 privacy update. Combining browser-side tracking, pixel, and server-side tracking ensures maximum event accuracy. While browser-side tracking is effective, it has some limitation. Feeling the pain of incomplete Facebook ad data, you are not alone. Browser limitations are making it harder than ever to get a clear picture of your campaign performance. Ad blocker, intelligent tracking, prevention, privacy regulation, they are all impact your ability to track crucial data. Your browser-side tracking might be missing the mark. Server-side tracking bypasses browser restriction by sending event data directly from your Shopify server to Facebook. This means data is more reliable and less effective by browser limitation. Think of it like a VIP direct line, bypassing all the roadblocks. Benefits of server-side tracking: bypass ad blocker and cookie restriction, no more lost data because of pesky blocker or cookie limitation, enhance data security and privacy compliance, keep your customer data safe and meet privacy regulation with confidence, improve data accuracy, get a crystal clear view of your campaign performance for better optimization, guaranteed event tracking, ensure every conversion is counted even if a user browser is blocking scripted. Server-side tracking gives you to edge of your need to optimize your ROI and achieve your marketing goals. Stop guessing and start knowing. Upgrade to server-side tracking and unlock the true potential of your Facebook ad. Think of data layer as a bridge between your website and tracking tools. A data layer is a structured container that holds important user and event data on your Shopify store. It helps Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, and other tracking tools collect and send accurate data. Instead of reeling and browser cookies, this data layer stores real-time information like product details, name, price, category, user action, add to cart, purchase, checkout steps, conversion data, transaction value, order ID. With a proper data layer setup, your tracking is cleaner, more flexible, and more reliable. Is Shopify data layer expensive? Yes. Shopify's advanced data tracking plan come with briefly price tag, essential $200 per month, up to 1,000 orders process, extra orders 15 cents per order, growth package $450 per month, up to 10,000 order process, extra order 4 cents per order, business $950 per month, up to 50,000 order proceed, extra order 3 cents per order. But there is the big advantage: data layer has no additional cost, no per order fees, proceeds unlimited order without worrying about extra charges, complete control. You own your data with full flexibility for tracking, work seamlessly with Google Tag Manager, Facebook Conversion API, GA4, TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest, and others marketing platforms. Why pay more when you get advantage tracking? Our solution ensure accurate trackings, better ad optimization. So now we need to know requirements for Facebook Conversion API: website data layer enabled, server side, server like Cloud, Step, or others, Google Tag Manager, web and server container, and Facebook Pixel ID. So let's get started. This is my Shopify demo store. I want to set up Facebook Conversion API for this website. Firstly, I need to enable website data layer. So firstly, need to go our Shopify store backend. This is my Shopify store backend. Firstly, need to click settings, then find out customer events. Then I will click here. Then this is where you manage your pixels, collect customer event through a pixel or customer pixel integration. So firstly, need to click add custom pixel. Then here I type a data layer name like data layer. You can give here any names. Then click on add pixel. Here is a code section. So here I put my website data layer. So firstly need to go back my documentations, then copy this all code. This is the Shopify data layer code. Then copy, then go back to your Shopify store backend, then paste here. Now I need a GTM ID. So go back to my Google Tag Manager account. Then I will create a a Google Tag Manager account. I will type here Shopify. This is my account name. Then select your country and select share data anonymously with Google and others. Then give a container name. I will type this name for this container. Then select web. Then click create. This is Google Tag Manager Terms of Service Agreement. You can read this or not. I also accept this data processing terms and required by GDPR. Then click on save. Now I need to copy this code, only GTM ID. Then go back to my Shopify website backend. This is my Shopify website backend. Then scroll up. Then change this only and paste here. Then click save. Now I need to change permissions. Permissions, these are okay. Then another one is data cell. Data collected does not require add data cell. Then click again save. Then scroll down. Then click on connect. Then go back to your Shopify store. Then reload again this store. Then go back to your Google Tag Manager account. Then click on preview button. Then copy your website URL. Then paste here your website URL. Then click connect. If you see that our Google Tag Manager already connected with Shopify store, if I click any product like this product here, all of this product details here. Then go back to my Google Tag Assistant. Then click on view items and click on data layer. We will see that all of this product information is here. If I click API call, you will see that all of this product information is here. Then I will click add to cart. Then our add to cart event data is here and data layer informations, all of the informations here. Then again click on view cart. Then go back to again Google Tag Assistant. You will see that our view cart, all of these informations here. Then again click on checkout. Then go back again Google Tag Assistant. You will see that all of this begin checkout informations. Be careful, this is our website link. Then again click order. Then fill up payment informations. Then click on pay now. If I go back again Tag Assistant, you will see that all of these purchase informations like product price, product customer phone number, customer details, and everything is here. Then again click on data layer. You will see that all of these informations here. So our website data layer perfectly working. Now I will set up Facebook conversion API for this Shopify store. So go back again Google Tag Manager. Then I firstly need to create a Facebook pixel ID. So I need to go Facebook event manager. Click on event manager. This is my Facebook event manager. Then click on connect a new data sources. I need to select this. Connect your website, share activities and acquire online including view content, add to cart and purchase event. Then you need to select this. Then click on next. Then here connect your data. Then click on create new data. Then give a data name. This is our data set name. Then click on create. So how to connect your website? You can here set up with conversion API gateway. Then another one is set up with partner integrations. Then set up manually. I want to set up manually, so I will select this. Then click on next. Here shows you how to connect your website conversion API. And another one is Metapixel. I want to select Metapixel. Then click on next. Then finished. If I click data sources, I will see that our Shopify conversion API pixel create done. Then if I click settings, I will see that our dataset ID or Facebook pixel ID, I need to copy this. Then go back to my Google Tag Manager web container. Then click on new. Then again click here. Then find out Facebook pixel. Here is no Facebook pixel ID, so I need to click discover more text types in the community template gallery. Need some times. Then search here Facebook. This is the Facebook pixel. Then click here. Then add to workspace. Then again click on add. Now paste here your Facebook pixel ID. I want to set up Facebook pixel ID constant variable, so I will click here. Then again click here. Then find out constant. Then paste here your pixel ID. Then type a variable's name, then click save. Or Facebook pixel ID constant variable create done. Now I need to set up this event. So again click on more settings. I need to send event ID because set this event ID parameter is case you're taking the same event server side as well. This event can be used to deduplicate the same event if sent this multiple sources. So I will click plus sign, then again click on plus sign and find out unique event ID. Here is no unique event ID. So I need to click discover more variable types in the community template gallery. Then search here event, then you find out unique event ID by steps.io, then click on add to workspace, then again click on add. Then close this, then again close, then again click on plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out unique event ID, then click on save. Our Facebook page event setup almost done. Then again click on plus sign, then click all pages, then give a pixel ID name. Pixel ID name is page view, then click on save. Now I need to check it our Facebook page view event setup perfectly okay or not okay. Then again click on preview button, then go to your website, then go back Google Tech Assistant. You will see that Facebook Pixel page view event already fired. So our Facebook page view event setup perfectly okay. Then if I click on Meta Pixel Helper, we will see that our page view event is fired. So our setup is perfectly okay. Now I need to set up Facebook view content event. So need to click new, then find out Facebook pixel tag, then need a Facebook pixel ID. I already create a constant variable for Facebook pixel ID. So again click on plus sign, then find out Facebook pixel. Then need to select event name. Event name is view content. So we'll select view content. Then scroll down. I need to send some object property. What type of property needed? If I go back my documentation, you will see that all of these informations here like content IDs, content name, content type, content category, contents, and currency and value. If I go to Facebook documentation, we will see all of these informations here like type of event, parameter need to send. I want to set up view content. A visitor to a page you care about, for example, a product page or landing page. View content tells you if someone visit a page URL but not what they see do on that, like person landed on a product page detail. Event parameter, content IDs, content types, contents, content currency, and value need to send. Required to advantage for catalog ads, contents or content ID. If I scroll down, contents IDs must be array or integer or string, content name string, content category string, contents array of object, currency string, and numbers of items integer. I already make a documentations for all of this information. Firstly, I need to create a variables for view content event setup. So again, go back to my Google Tag Manager, then click on plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out data layer variables, then paste here this variable value. If I go back to my Google Tag Assistant, what type of variables need? Firstly need to pick e-commerce, then this is the object. After object index start from dot. So firstly need to pick e-commerce, then dot, then items. I already create this, so I need to give a name for this variable. Copy this, then paste here, then click save. Our variables create done. It's need for only variables. Now I need to property name. So go back to my documentation. Firstly need content IDs, then content name, then content type, then content category, then contents, then currency and value. Currency, then value. So again click on plus sign, then find out custom JavaScript. These are custom JavaScript. Then go back to my documentations, then copy this code, copy, then paste here. Then give a name for these variables. So copy again this name, then paste here, then click save. Our content IDs property value create done. Now I need to create for content name. So again click on plus sign, then find out custom JavaScript, then go back to my documentations, then copy this code, then give a name for these variables. Variables name is CGS item name. It's this code working for multiple product tracking. Then content type must be product, then content category, then again click on plus sign, then find out custom JavaScript, then again go back to my documentations, then copy this code and go back to my Google Tag Manager, then give a name for these variables, then click save. Now I need to create a contents. Contents must be string, ID must be string, quantity number, and item price number. Copy this code, then go back to again Google Tag Manager, then again click on plus sign, then find out custom JavaScript, then paste this code, then give a name for this variable CJS AP contents, then click save. Now I need to create for currency. Again, click on plus sign, then find out data layer variable. This is a data layer variable. Then go back to my Google Tag Assistant. Then I need to create for currency. So firstly need to e-commerce. Then these are object. After object index platform dot. So firstly need e-commerce, then dot, then currency. So I will create this commerce, then dot, then currency. Then paste here. Then go back to my documentation. I will copy this variable's name. Then paste here. Then click save. Now I need to create for value, same as currency. You can click data variable. Firstly need to pick e-commerce, then dot, then value. These are value. These are working for total value. So copy this name, then click save. Our property name and value create done. Now I need to send event ID. You can click on plus sign, then find out unique event. Then I need to create a triggering. So again, click on plus sign, then find out custom event, then go back to tag assistant, then copy this event name, then paste here, then give a tag name, then click save. Our view content event property name triggerings also done. Now I need to click save and give a tag name. Again, click on save. Now if I click preview button, our setup is perfectly okay or not okay. I need to check it. Then go back to your website, then click any product. If I click metapixel helper or view content event and page view event is here, our content category is not set. IDs and name, content type, contents, content currency, values, everything is here. If I click again tag assistant, you will see that our Facebook pixel page view and Facebook pixel view content event already fired. So our setup is perfectly okay. Now I need to set up for add to cart. So I will copy this view content event because view content event and add to cart event are same to same. So I will change this name, this or add to cart. Then click on event name. Event name is add to cart. Then I need to change this triggering. Everything is okay. Triggering must be add to cart. So go back to my website, then click add to cart. Then go back again tag assistant, then click on add to cart. Then copy this add to cart. Then paste here. Then give a name for this trigger. Then click on save. Then again click on save. Our add to cart event create done. Now again click on preview button. Our setup is perfectly okay or not okay. I need to check it. Again, click on any product, then click on add to cart. If I click metapixel helper, we'll see all of these informations. And again, click on tag assistant. We will see that our Facebook pixel page view content and add to cart event already fired. Now I need to set up for initiate checkout. So again, copy add to cart event, then click on add to cart, then remove this part, then give a tag name. Tag name is initiate checkout. Initiate checkout and event name is initiate checkout. These are initiate checkout. Now I need to add a extra parameter. So go back to my documentations. These are already done. Which event or parameters are need? Numbers of items. So copy this, paste here, then again click on plus sign, then find out custom JavaScript, then go back to my documentation, then copy this code carefully, then paste here, then give a name for this variables. So variables is CGS total quantity. Then again click on save. Now go back to my website, then click on checkout, then click again tag assistant, then click on begin underscore checkout. So copy this begin checkout, then go back to my Google Tag Manager web container, then remove this triggering, then again click on plus sign, then find out custom event, then paste here, then paste the trigger name, then click it. Tag property name, properties, value, event ID and triggering script done, then click on save. Then again click on preview button, then click any product, then click again add to cart, then click again checkout. Then if I click again tag assistant, you will see that our Facebook pixel page view content add to cart and initiate checkout already fired. So our setup is okay. Now I need to set up for purchase. So again, copy this initiate checkout event for Facebook purchase event. Remove this part, then give a name for this tag. Tag name is purchase. Then need to change this standard event. Standard event is purchase. So where is purchase? Then I need to add a extra event parameter. Extra event parameter is order ID. So go back to my documentations. These are order underscore ID. Then paste here. Then copy this code. Then again click on plus sign. Then find out data layer variable. Then paste here. Then go back to my documentation. This variable's name. Then paste here. Then click save. Now I need to change triggering. Triggering must be purchase. So I will type purchase. These are purchase. Then give a tag name. Then click save. Now I need to send some extra event parameter. These are click on enable advanced matching. Then again click on customer information data parameters. Then click add parameters. Firstly, I need to send email, then phone, then first name, then last name, then state, then city, then zip, then country. So again click on plus sign, then again click plus sign. So firstly, I will complete a purchase event. These are demo information. Then complete purchase, then click pay now. I need to click on tech assistant, then click on purchase, then click on data layer. Here is all of this purchase information: customer address, customer city, customer country code, customer first name, last name, phone number, state code, everything is here. So I will copy and paste here. So firstly, click on data layer variable, this for email. So go back to my documentations. Emails are only email. So paste here email, then copy this name, then paste here, then go back to tag assistant. We'll see that which one needed. If I click API call, we'll see that we need to pick email, then phone number, email, then phone numbers, and again click on plus sign. Then find out data layer variables, then go back to my documentation. Then these are phone number, customer phone number, then paste here, then copy this name, then paste variable name, then first name, again click on plus sign, again click plus sign, then find out data layer variables, then go back to my documentation, then copy this customer first name, then paste here, then click save. Now I need to create for last name. Again click on plus sign, then find out data layer variable, then go back to tag assistant. These are last name, so copy this, then paste here. I need to give a variable's name, so copy this, then paste here, then again click on save. Now I need to create for state, then go back to my documentation, then copy this, then again click on plus sign, then find out data layer variables, then paste here, then copy this variable's name, then paste here, then click save. Now for city, find out data layer variables, then go back to my documentation, then copy customer city or variable's name. If you check here, you will find customer city. These are customer city. Then click save. Then another one is zip code. Again, click on plus sign. Then find out data layer variables. Then go back to my documentation. These are copy. Then paste here. Then copy this variable's name. Then paste here. Then click save. Now I need to create for country. Again, click on plus sign, then find out data layer variables, then click again tag assistant. Where is country? These are country code. So copy this, then go back to tag assistant, then paste here, then copy this code, copy this variable's name, then paste here, then click save. Our tag create done, and then click on save. Now I need to check it our setup is perfectly okay or not okay. So click again preview button. Then go back to your website, then click any product, click on add to cart, then click again view cart, then click checkout, then fill up these informations for your order details, then provide cart name, payment details. Finally click on pay now. If you click Meta Pixel helper, you will see that all of these informations here like content IDs, product content types, currency, items, order ID, value, everything is here. If I click again tag assistant, you will see that our all of this tag already fired. Facebook pixel, page view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase event. So our setup is perfectly okay. Now I need to set up for Facebook server side tagging. So firstly need to click on new, then find out Google Analytics, then click on Google tag, load to Google tag associate with your Google Analytics team. So I need a tag ID. So I need to create a Google Analytics for account and need a geo for measurement ID. So I need to go Google Analytics, then paste a, then give a property name. Property name is Shopify pixel conversion, then reporting time zone, then currency USD, then click next. Then need to select your industry. Our industry is shopping, then need to select business size. These are business size, then click next. So your business objective for report that are personalized to your website, select this topic most important to you. Then I will select this, then click create. Our Shopify pixel conversion property done. Then I need to click on web, then need to paste here my website URL, then go back to my Shopify website, then copy this URL, then go back to Google Analytics 4, then paste here, then need to remove this, then remove. Then I will type a team name Shopify, then click create and continue. Then click again here. Here is the tag ID. Then you will see that tag setup process. I want to set up manually, so I need to copy this measurement ID, then go back again Google Tag Manager, then paste here your tag ID. I want to create a constant variable for this GA4 tag ID. So again click on plus sign, then find out constant, then paste here, then give a name for these variables, then click on save. Now I need to send some configuration parameters. What type of parameter need? Server container URL, then another one is send page view, another one is first party collection, then page location, page referral, and page title. Now I need to create a server container for Facebook server side tagging. Now I need a server URL. I want to use step server. So I need to go step server website, then click on create as SGTM container, then give a container name. So I will type a container name, then need a container configuration. This config is provided by Google when you are setting up your tagging server. If you really want to, can leave this blank to create a dummy container. Just don't forget to add real when you are ready. So I need to create a Google Tag Manager server container. So go back again, new tab, then search there Google Tag Manager, then click Google Tag Manager, then find out my container. These are my container. Again click here, then I need to click admin, then again click here, then give a name for this server container. This is a server container, type here server, then select server, click create. If you want to use Google Cloud Server, you need to select this. I want to use step server, so I will select this manual provision tagging server, then copy this tagging container configuration code, then go back again step server, then paste here. Then you need to select server location. Choose your server location based on your location of most of your clients. Location cannot be changed later. So I will select a location, then click create container. Now subscription plan. So say plan for Shopify conversion API container. I want to use CLAN, then click on continue, then again click on back to SGTM. This is our server URL, then copy this server URL, then go back to your Google Tag Manager server container, then close this, then again click on admin, then click again container setting, then add URL, then paste here, then save. Now I need to go back again web container, then paste here server URL, send page view. I want to set up manually page views, so I will type false. First party collection is true. Then page location, go back to tag assistant, then click API call. There is nothing. Yes, these are page locations. So copy this page location, then go back to again tag manager, then click again plus sign. Need to create a variables, data layer variables. So paste here, then paste here. These are name. Then another one is page referral. Then you will see my documentation. Copy this page referral. Then again click on plus sign. Then find out data layer variable. Then give a variable's name. Then click again save. Then another one is page title. Then go back again, tag assistant, copy this title. Then again click on plus sign, find a detail variable, then paste here, and give a name for these variables. Always be careful, must need to send page underscore location, page underscore referral, page underscore title, need to send. Now I need to create a triggering always all pages, then click on save. These are Facebook server side Google tag, then click on save. Our tag save done. Now I need to create a PHP event for Facebook server side. So click again new, then find out Google Analytics, then select Google Analytics GA4 event, then paste here measurement ID. I already create a measurement ID constant variable. These are constant variable. Then event name. Event name is page viewed. So copy this, then paste here. Then I need to send some extra event parameters. So what type of parameter need? Firstly need event name, then paste here. Then event name is page viewed. Then another is event ID, event underscore ID. I already created event IDs variables, so find out unique event ID. Then another one X FBP. Then another one FBC. Then page location, page referrer, page title, event time. Then another one is first party collection. First party collection true, then event time. So again click on plus sign, then find out custom JavaScript, then go back to my documentation, then copy this code, then paste here, type here event time, then click save. Then page title, I already created page title variables. These are page title, another one is page referral, these are page referral, page location, then FBC cookie, then click again new, then again click here, then find out first party cookie for FBC cookie. So copy this FBC cookie, then paste here. I need to give a name for this cookie, so paste here FBC, then click save. Then another one is FBP, so click again plus sign, then select first party cookie, then go back again documentation, then copy this, then paste here, then copy this, then paste variable's name, then click save. Now I need to select triggering must be all pages, then again click save this tag template. These are Facebook server side page view, then click on save. Now I need to create for view content, so I will copy this page view event, then copy this, then remove this part, then these are for view content. Then go back to my documentation, then copy view item, view underscore item, then paste here event name, then event name here. Now I need to send some extra event parameters for view item. So what type of event parameters need? Content IDs, contents name, content type, content category, then value, currency, and another one is items. These are already added, so I need to select content IDs. I already created content IDs for Facebook browser site. Then content name, these are content name, then content type is product, then content category, these are content category, and content value, these are total value. Then currency, where is currency and items. I need to create 4 items, and then again click on plus sign, custom JavaScript, then go back to my documentation, then copy this code, then paste here, then give a name for these variables, CJS items, then paste here, then click save. Now I need to change this triggering must be view item triggers, then click on save. Now I need to create 4 add to cart and view content are same, so I will change this name to cart. Then event name is add to cart, then change this event name. Everything is okay. Now I need to change triggering add to cart, then click on save. Now I need to create for initiate checkout. So I will copy a Facebook server side, add to cart, then copy this, then remove this, then try initiate checkout, then need to change event name. So go back to my documentation, then copy this beginner underscore checkout, then paste here, then paste. Now I need to add a extra parameters. Parameter name is numbers of items, then paste here, then click again plus sign, then find out total quantity variables. These are total quantity. I need to change this triggering. These are for initiate checkout, then click again save. Now I need to create for purchase. So I will copy initiate checkout and remove this part, then purchase, then go back to my documentations, then copy this event name. Need to change this event name, this or event name. Now I need to add some extra event or type of event needed. These are email address, phone number, first name, last name, city, region, postal code, and country. And another one is country. I already create for Facebook browser side tracking. So I will select, firstly need to select country. Then another one is postal code. What is postal code? Postal code. Then another one is region. Region like state. Then city. Sorry, last name. Then first name. These are first name. Then another one is phone number. And another one is email address. TLB email. Now I need to change triggering. So triggering must be purchase. Then click save. Our Facebook browser site, page view, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase event setup done. And server side, Google tag, page view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase event setup done. Now I need to set up for server container. So go back again, Google Tag Manager server container. Then click on tag. Then again click on new. Then find out conversion API tag. So click again, discover more tags type in the community template gallery. Then search here Facebook. Then edit this tag Facebook conversion API. Then click add to workspace. Then again click on add. Our Facebook conversion API tag already added our Google Tag Manager server container. Then I need to say API access token. Go back again Facebook Event Manager. Then click on settings. Then scroll down. Before automatic website matching need to enable. Then scroll down. Then click generate access token. Then copy this API access token. Then go back again Google Tag Manager server container. Then paste here. Need a Facebook pixel ID. Go back again event manager, scroll up, then copy this dataset ID or Facebook pixel ID, then paste here. If you have multiple Facebook pixel ID, you can add this, then add here Facebook pixel ID. I want to set up one of pixel ID, then test ID. Go back again event manager, then click on test event, then copy this, then go back again Google Tag Manager, then paste here test event. These are not needed. Then generate underscore FBP cookie it not exist. Every setting is okay. Then click on triggerings. I need to create a triggerings. Then again click on plus sign. Then find out customs. Then select match reject. Here need event name. Then select match reject. Go back again my documentations. Then copy this. Then paste here. Then click save. Custom tag for server. Then click save. Now need to save our tag template. Now need submit, then click again workspace. Now need to preview. All of setup is perfectly okay or not okay. I need to check it. Again click on Google Tag Manager web container preview button. Then paste here website URL. Then click any product. Then again click add to cart, then click view cart, then click again initiate checkout, then fill up, then click pay now. If I click Google Tag Assistant, you will see that our all of tag already fired. Browser side tag and server side tag, all of tags already fired. So our setup is perfectly okay. If I click server container preview, we will see that our all of conversion tag already fired. Then if I click on request or select or is purchase, then you will see that our outgoing HTTP request from server post 200 200 and incoming HTTP request get 200. So our server side tracking working properly. If I go back again Facebook event manager, then you will see that our all of tag deduplicated, purchase, initiate checkout, add to cart, view content, and page view is not working. So I need to change this from our triggerings. So go back again our custom server trigger. Then if I change this, will working again. Here I need to change from Facebook page view server side. Here must be page view, page underscore view, and here page underscore view. Then another change is Google Tag Manager server container custom triggering. Here must be change page view. So go back again Facebook event manager. You will see that our Facebook page view are deduplicated. So our setup is perfectly okay. If you see that our Facebook page view, add to cart, view content, purchase, initiate checkout, add to cart, view content, and everything is okay. So our setup is perfectly okay. And that's it. You are successfully set up Facebook conversion API on your Shopify store for browser and server side tracking. This is significantly improve your tracking accuracy and help optimize your Facebook ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more marketing tutorials. Got question or need help with your Facebook conversion API setup? Drop a comment or reach out me via WhatsApp or LinkedIn. I'm here to help. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.